Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ApeWifHat token. Now this is a brand new Solana token. These Solana meme coins have been doing very well. This is another one according to DEX Screener right now. This token is up 510% in the past 24 hours. We're going to go over the information on the ApeWifHat token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So first of all, you can find their Telegram at ApeWifHat Portal. 2,366 subscribers on their Telegram. You can preview the channel, have a look at it first before joining. ApeWifHat.net is their official webpage. You're going to find all the links and info over there. You can find this token on DEX Screener and DEX Tools. That's where you can view the chart. As usual, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen over there at ApeWifHat_SOL. And you can see on their Twitter, they have a link to their Telegram and their webpage. It'll take you anywhere you need to go there. 27 tweets so far, just joined in March 2024, so they're very active on their socials. 4,308 followers so far. March 11th, just a few days ago, they tweeted out, and this is their pinned tweet. It says, ApeWifHat is now live on Solana. And they have a couple links there in their contract address. So they have a link to RAYDIUM, DEX Screener, and their contract address, all in the pinned tweet right there. So if you're looking for the contract address, that's where it is, in that pinned tweet. So basically, how you get this token, if you wanted to get the token, is fund your Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, MetaMask wallet, whatever wallet you use for Solana. Fund it with Sol. Go into the dApps, find RAYDIUM, and then you would trade your Solana for the ApeWifHat token using the contract address that you can find in their pinned tweet, or you can find it on their webpage, ApeWifHat.net. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes in the tokenomics. We'll go over that. So just 9 hours ago, this is where I saw this token, by the way. It says ApeWifHat is trending on CoinMarketCap in the top 9 among the big boys with Pepe and WIF. We are going viral. It is ape season, hashtag ApeWifHat. So yeah, they've been doing very well today. That's where I noticed this token. They showed a tweet earlier where they did 780.5 times, doing very well. Good old apes and with hats. All right, so on their webpage, you can find all sorts of links. So ApeWifHat, they have the meme thing where all the words are crossed out, but basically it says ApeWifHat isn't literally just an ape with a hat. It's a symbol of progress for futuristic transactions, a beacon for those who think ahead. It's clear that the future belongs to those who embrace innovations like ApeWifHat, transcending boundaries and paving a new era of finance and technology. But then all of it's crossed out except for literally just an ApeWifHat. So they're saying it's literally just an ApeWifHat, basically. But you can find a Buy Now button on their webpage for RAYDIUM, chart, Telegram, Twitter. So ApeWifHat, the rising star in the meme coin universe on the Solana blockchain, much like Shiba Inu on Ethereum, ApeWifHat brings a playful twist with an ape-themed charm. Embrace the whimsical world of ApeWifHat, where crypto meets humor, and join the journey towards the next big meme coin sensation on Solana. Crafted solely for enjoyment, ApeWifHat carries no inherent value or financial commitments. This coin serves as a lighthearted contribution to the community. No taxes, it says. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from RAYDIUM or Jupiter or Orca, you probably will not have to worry about slippage unless it's a congested network, which it could be because these tokens are very popular. It's a simple LP. LP tokens are burnt, it says here, and contract ownership is renounced. Embrace the joy and immerse yourself in the world of ApeWifHat. So they actually have a deck screener chart right embedded onto their web page as well. And they show you, so they compare basically Solana to ApeWifHat as a joke, and it's pretty funny. You know how they compare like blockchains and transaction speed and all that type of stuff. So basically it has Solana on here, and it says 4,272 transactions a second, 240 plus billion transactions. And then it says chain used for ApeWifHat, and it's not an ape, and there's no hat. So that's the problem with Solana. There's no ape and no hat. So ApeWifHat isn't just a cryptocurrency. It's a symbol of progress for futuristic transactions, a beacon for those who think ahead. It's clear that the future belongs to those who embrace innovations like ApeWifHat, transcending boundaries and paving a new era in finance and technology. But literally, just an ape with a hat. Find them on social media. And that is basically about it, except for the important information. Oh, I just went to Dex Tools. This token is trending number 9 right now on Dex Tools. I'm going to upload this video like right away, right after I record it. So basically it'll be up right away and still trending, hopefully. $15.2 million market cap. $667,000 in liquidity on RAYDIUM. 100 trillion total supply of this token. And that is also the circulating supply. They have 12,940 holders. 24-hour trading volume today is $6,970,000. They have 1.92 thousand pooled SOL in RAYDIUM, which is equivalent to 2.57 trillion pooled ApeWifHats. And they have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security, and there's no warnings on it. It says contract is verified, no honeypot, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, and no other risks. So, I see that a lot of people are really interested in these Solana meme tokens these days. So maybe about half of the videos I'm going to upload probably tomorrow. And maybe even maybe throughout the weekend will probably be these Solana meme coins, and then the rest will be spread out with like actual, utility tokens and those interesting blockchain coins and whatnot, and big ones, whatever. I'm going to upload a lot of Solana meme tokens during the next few days, so stay tuned if you like those. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you get notified when these tokens drop and when I upload videos. And like this video, subscribe for daily videos, leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about ApeWifHat? And y'all have a great day out there. Check out all the referral codes, and peace out.